It's finally here, the moment many people have been waiting for. Sam Altman just announced the rollout of OpenAI's newest large language model, ChatGPT-5. It is smarter, faster, and the most useful model. It is different from ChatGPT-4 because of the built-in thinking feature that GPT-4 can't imagine. But here is the catch: most people can't even use it yet. Right now, its access is limited to only a few people. The rest, they are waiting in the dark. In the next 3 minutes, you will learn exactly how to check if you have ChatGPT-5 and start using it today. And it's a disclaimer. At the end of our today's video, you will get 3 prompts that instantly show why ChatGPT-5 is leaving behind all of its competitors. So don't skip that part. For now, let's start to explore how you can use ChatGPT-5 using a Plus account. The first step is to visit chat.openai.com and log in. If you are a new user, you need to sign up. Once you are in, you'll see ChatGPT-5's flagship model is available with its Thinking and Pro models. Sometimes it is clearly labeled. Other times it hides under code names like Summit or Zenith, as it is now clear that GPT-5 is rolling out in phases. If you don't see it yet, the fastest way to increase your chances of usage is upgrading to ChatGPT Plus. Once you've upgraded to the Plus plan, simply start using GPT-5 by visiting their official website. No downloads, no extra steps. It's ready immediately. Don't waste this mastermind on basic questions and answers. Here's how to make the most of it. The first feature we'll be exploring is memory. This feature allows GPT-5 to remember that never fades away. Here's how you can test it. The next big thing to do is check its multimodal capacities, talk to it, show it images, or do both at once. Another notable feature of ChatGPT-5 is its planning power. You can check it by stacking multiple and complex instructions in one go. And that's where you'll see the magic. Another feature that is making GPT-5 stand out from competitors is its agent mode enablement. It can browse, pull live data, open files, and run code, everything in one place. And the amazing part is that it always asks before the final steps. You can use GPT-5 for full client proposals to win a client, breaking down research to minimize your time spent, building and debugging apps with just your prompts, scheduling complex projects to achieve efficiency, analyzing huge data sets to extract desired outputs, and much more. Last but not least, 3 prompts to prove the power of GPT-5 are: write a viral TikTok script for my product in under 30 seconds. Turn my bullet notes into a polished investor pitch deck outline. Simulate a question and answer with a world-class expert in my field. That's how you can try GPT-5 before it goes mainstream. Get in early, push it hard, and see what is possible. Follow AIChief for more fast, no-fluff AI updates that keep you ahead of the latest artificial intelligence developments.